Hello, my dear students. This is Girish Ramdas, your science activity teacher, and welcome back to another session of Science Club activity. In this session, we are going to learn some really interesting facts about Earth. Another Science Club lesson. We are going to discuss and learn some interesting facts about Earth. As you know, myself Girish Ramdas. So the lesson objective. By the end of this lesson, by the end of the session, you will be able to realize and recognize some interesting facts about Earth. Hmm, do you know something? Earth is not flat, but it's not perfectly round either. We know very well that Earth is not flat, but it's not perfectly round also. Earth has never been perfectly round. That picture, it's quite clear and it's evident how beautiful it is. A beautiful blue colored Earth, which is taken from the space. The planet bulges around the equator by an extra 0.3%. That's why Earth is not perfectly round. Then think about this. The days are getting longer. Can you imagine that? The days are getting longer. So the length of Earth's day is increasing. When Earth was formed around 4.6 billion years ago, its day would have been roughly 6 hours long. That time, a day means only 6 hours. By around 620 million years ago, this had increased to 21.9 hours. By today, the average day is 24 hours, 24 hours long. But it is increasing. It is increasing by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. So that's quite interesting. You can see the sun is a sun rises and sunset during after sunset night. That graphical representation you can see there. Then moving on to another interesting fact. You know something? The Earth's icy times. That means once upon a time, several locations, Earth become completely covered with ice. Around 600 to 800 million years ago, Earth underwent several extreme climate changes known as ice ages. The climate became so cold that some scientists believe Earth nearly or completely frozen several times. This is known as a snowball Earth theory. Moving on to another concept, the driest place on Earth. Do you have any idea which is the driest place on Earth? Where exactly it is located? Yes. So, ironically, the driest place in the world, the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, is next to the biggest body of water, that is the Pacific Ocean. You know something? average annual rainfall in Arica, that is a part of this Atacama, which is in Chile, is just 0.8 millimeters. It is believed that Atacama's, this Calama city, saw no rainfall for around 400 years until a sudden storm fell in 1972. It's the driest place on earth. Moving on to some another interesting facts about earth. You can see here the interior of earth. The earth and earth's interior is categorized into three main parts. It's quite clear there. A crust is there, a mantle is there, and the inner part is the core. So these layers, earth can be divided into three main layers. They are the core, the mantle, and the crust. Each of these layers again further divided into two parts, the inner core and outer core, the upper and lower mantle, and the continental and oceanic crust. Both these inner and outer core are made up of mostly iron and a little bit of nickel. So that's about this inner or interior of earth. You can check this diagram. It's quite clear what are all the things in earth. So there is a bathysphere is there. Bathysphere is mainly in core, both layers of core, inner core and outer core. Then comes a mesosphere, which is comes in the mantle part, lower and upper mantle. And there is a ethnosphere is there, and the top part is lithosphere, which is covered in crust. So these are all about interior of earth. Now moving on to exterior of earth. That means as we are all know, our mother earth is so beautiful. It's a variety of plants and animals. So just relax and watch this video, how beautiful this earth is. You can realize and you need to recognize different animals and different plants. So just watch and enjoy. students. Hope you enjoyed that small video. It's really, really mesmerizing. It's wonderful to be on Earth. And we will be learning more about Earth in the coming session. So that's all for today. Have a great day ahead. Enjoy your time. Stay safe, stay calm, and be healthy all the time. So see you soon. Bye.